Every journey begins in the orchard, where nature prepares the harvest.
Careful selection ensures only the best mangoes enter production.
Experience guides every harvest decision.
Each fruit is handled carefully to preserve quality. Teamwork keeps the harvest flowing efficiently. Protection during collection reduces waste and damage.
Freshly picked fruit moves quickly from tree to collection point. Organized handling begins immediately after harvest. Large-scale harvesting requires careful coordination. Fresh mangoes now begin their journey to industrial processing. The cleaning stage removes dust and field residues from every mango. Moisture is reduced before quality evaluation begins.
With cleaning and sorting complete, the real transformation begins.
Now the mangoes begin their transformation into bottled juice.
Careful inspection ensures consistent product quality.
The valuable fruit flesh continues deeper into production. The heart of the fruit is transformed into rich mango pulp.
Heat treatment helps protect product safety and shelf life.
In seconds, a preform becomes a finished bottle.
Automated verification ensures a professional finish.
From carefully selected mangoes in the orchard to millions of bottles ready for...
Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.